Nature's green magic products are designed to afford you, the owner-operator, the opportunity to provide your customers the best results when detailing their vehicles. Our waterless wash and wax, also known as green, is a polymer formula that organically washes, waxes, buffs, and seals the vehicle's paint finish all in one. Our premium interior cleaner, also known as blue, provides superior cleaning and spot removal. Our tire and interior conditioner, also known as white, provides the best in leather and vinyl conditioning, protects and shines dashboards and leather for over 30 days, as well as tire shine. When detailing your customer's vehicle, it is important to use the proper products on the specific areas. The waterless wash and wax is designed to detail the exterior portion of the vehicle. You should have 2 microfiber towels to clean the surface, paint, glass, and rims. When washing and waxing the vehicle's paint, you must spray the proper amount of fluid on each section of the body. Because the waterless wash and wax is a polymer fluid, it is not necessary to spray a heavy amount. The fastest and most efficient way is to apply the product, wipe clean, and then buff wax one section at a time. There are 3 quick and easy steps to washing and waxing each area of the vehicle's body. Step 1. Spray the specific area you are about to service, 2 feet by 2 feet recommended. Step 2. Immediately wipe the area with your first microfiber towel, cleaning off any dirt on the surface. Step 3. Wipe the same area with a second microfiber towel, providing the polishing and buffing. It is important to take a final look at the area that was cleaned to make sure that all of the wax was buffed before moving to the next area. As you service the vehicle, it is recommended to start from the front of the vehicle to include the hood and front bumper, then work through the driver's side. As you do the driver's side, you should clean the roof of that side of the vehicle. You will then work your way around the back, then through the passenger side again, repeating the same task. The waterless wash and wax is also used to clean the vehicle's glass. As it removes the dirt and scuff, it also creates a barrier that repels water from the glass, as well as prevents fingerprints from sticking. Step 1. Lightly spray a small amount of fluid on the glass. Step 2. Wipe the entire glass with the first microfiber towel. Step 3. Wipe the entire glass with the second microfiber towel. Repeat the same 3 steps on the interior glass. There are many different types of rims on many different types of vehicles. Some rims are very simple to clean and some are harder. The goal when cleaning a rim is that all visible areas are clean and shiny and that the tire is clean and glossy. Step 1. Spray the entire rim with the waterless wash and wax. Step 2. Wipe the rim with a microfiber towel. If the rim has many tight spots, you can also use your pointed brush to clean. Step 3. Be sure to cover all areas that are upside down and not visible. Re-wipe the entire rim to buff wax. Step 4. Apply the tire dressing on the outer wall of the tire. A. Spray the tire dressing evenly on the tire. B. Wipe the tire completely with an applicator to assure an even spread. You can also use a paintbrush to apply the dressing. Once you are done with the exterior portion of the vehicle, you should inspect every area in order to ensure that it is completely clean and that there is no waxy residue left on the surface. Interior detailing. premium interior cleaner, also known as blue. When detailing the interior of any vehicle, it is important to recognize every area that needs to be cleaned. Obvious areas are the floors, panels, consoles, dashboards, and seats. The following will explain how to clean these areas as well as additional parts that are included. Most vehicles' floors will be dirty with particles that are brought in from the outside. In many vehicles, you will find that the carpet will need shampooing. We will discuss that later. It is important to vacuum the floors thoroughly. Step 1. Remove the floor mats from the vehicle to clean later. Step 2. Simply vacuum the carpet within the front and rear of the vehicle. You should vacuum the seats during this time. SUVs, you should vacuum the rear gate area. Make sure to vacuum underneath every seat, as well as the tight areas on the sides of the front seats. When vacuuming the front, you should bring the front seat as far back as possible. When vacuuming the rear, bring the front seat as forward as possible. Step 3. Most vehicles will have 4 floor mats, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. Some mats will be easy to vacuum. Some mats will need to be cleaned with a hard bristled brush. Carpet, floor mat, and upholstery seat shampoo. When shampooing the carpet and floor mat, you will need to use the premium interior cleaner, the blue. You should utilize a high-speed buffer in order to get the best results. Step 1. Vacuum the entire area throughout. Step 2. Spray the premium interior cleaner throughout the area you will be cleaning. Step 3. Attach the round buffer brush on the machine. Step 4. Brush the area with the buffer machine throughout the carpet, floor mat, or the upholstered seats until the area is clean. Heavy stain removal may be resolved in 2 different ways. A. Use your wet vacuum to help dry out the area and remove the stain. B. Use a terry cloth towel to rub out stain. Interior panels and consoles. Each vehicle will have a dashboard, door panels, and center consoles. When cleaning these areas, you will use the blue-colored product called Premium Interior Cleaner. Step 1. Simply spray the interior cleaner on the surface and wipe clean with a microfiber towel. Step 2. In areas like the center console, cup holders, and the door storage pockets, spray the interior cleaner, then wipe and soak up any fluid left over. You may have to use a brush within those areas in order to release heavily soiled spots. The dashboard may be covered with dust. You should always inspect the dashboard, especially on older vehicles. Some dashboards may be brittle because of effects from the sun, therefore causing breakage or cracking. If a vehicle's dashboard has this condition, you should inform the customer and either clean lightly or not offer the service. Protective dressing. Protective dressing is normally done when performing a deluxe detail or a premium service. To accomplish this service, you will use our tire and interior conditioner, the white. This product will provide conditioning and a protective coating on leather and vinyl. This product is used on the dashboard, console, door panels, and leather seats. Step 1. Assure that the surface you are going to service is clean. Step 2. Spray the solution onto an application pad. Step 3. Wipe the surface in the same direction until you have evenly covered the surface.